Hey, everybody, Jeffrey Beamer here. Welcome to Pro Trader Tips for today. What happens when you enter a trade you got the symbol, you enter a trade, and lo and behold, the company decides to change its name? Well, I've got that trade for you right here. And this was a trade that we sent out to our subscribers on actually Smart Global Holdings, which was SGH, was the symbol. In fact, I'll show you that entry. This was a strangle that we sent out on the 18th of October. And so the trade was on Smart Global Holdings, and they had earnings coming up effectively in a day. Okay. And we set up this strangle, okay, for the trade. All right. Now, the thing is that the notice for the name change actually came out several months earlier, but it wasn't widely published. So what happened is on the earnings date, the company officially announced their name change. And what happened is that I sent out an alert from the OCC. This is the Options Clearing Corporation, the Options Clearing Corp. Okay. And this is the notice that was sent out regarding the symbol and name change. So Smart Global Holdings, SGH, changed its name to Penguin Solutions. That symbol is PENG. Now, in this sort of thing, this was one of the most cleanest changes you can have. Not like stock splits or adjustments, things like this. All this was a name change. And you can see here, option symbol, okay, all it is a name symbol change. No pricing differentials, no pricing differences. Everything stayed the same, except we go from SGH and the appropriate option symbols for SGH, Smart Global Holdings, and everything transferred on the date of earnings over to PENG, which was Penguin Solutions. All right, no big deal. Now, your broker, they are tied directly into feeds with the exchanges, and their data updates automatically. So in your broker's account, you're going to see that change immediately. Now, data providers, many data providers have to push this through, or their update will take 24 to 36 hours. And so what happened here is on the 16th, we get that move in PENG now. Again, not Smart Global Holdings, but Penguin Solutions. And you can see here the stock gapped down, dropped down, was trading at $15.93. When we sent out that alert, that turned out to be a profit of over $1,300. Okay, was our exit. Since our debit was on this trade, our debit was $528. That left us with a reward of $849. That was 160% return in just 4 days on a stock that had a name change. So when you're a trader, you've got to be ready for things that happen like this, whether it's a 10-for-1 stock split or a 1-for-10, which is a wholly different animal. 2-for-1 stock splits are easy, but 3-for-1 stock splits are a little bit more difficult. This happened to be just a name and symbol change and ended up with a great result for our trade. This was in our Delta Neutral breakout portfolio. This was trade ID 1295. It was on PENG at the end. It was SGH at the beginning, PENG at the end, and resulted in a profit of 160% in just 4 days. That's your Pro Trader tip for today. Take care.